Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and save a number of templates within SolidWorks. This is definitely a good idea and it will save a lot of time in the long run. There is something that's been bugging me. Every time I open SolidWorks, it goes back to its original setting. I think I want to fix that today. What happens? Every time I open a new file, all of my previous settings have gone away. Now I know I'm working on Apps Anywhere, and you could be working on a local version of SolidWorks on your machine, and I think in both these cases this will work pretty well. Right, so what I like to see every time I open my part file, I would like to see my planes displayed, because I end up doing this every time I open it. I end up switching them on, and this is time. I want to let go of some of these. So next time SolidWorks opens, I don't want it spending any time trying to bring in stuff I don't really use. So I'm going to let go of those. Okay, lastly, I'm checking whether the units are correct. They are. And I also want to make sure, whilst I'm here, whether my mouse gestures are saved incorrectly. I wanted 8 gestures instead of 4 because that's what I'm used to. I'm going to click OK, and I do have that. Right. So whilst I'm here, what I'm going to do, instead of saving this file as a file, I'm going to save this as a new template. So I'm going to go Save As, and I'm going to save this as a new template file. Part template, part 2 dot. If you wanted, you can overwrite this file here, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to overwrite the existing file. You should only do this if you're confident enough that you can handle this, okay? And also when you're working on your own computer, because this is going to be a permanent change. Save that. I'm going to say yes to that. Right, now I'm gonna start SolidWorks again and see what it gives me. New file, new part file. Okay, look, it's working. I have my 3 planes displayed as I wanted. I don't have as many toolbars, which I'm not going to use them. My units are set up correct, and my mouse gestures are on. So that was a job good done. All I did was I made those changes and I saved my file as a new part template, and that is the template that will open every single time I open my new part file now. Okay, excellent.